Features of pressure group. Nowadays, pressure group playing a vital role in this world. If there is no pressure groups in the world, there is no development, there is no actions in the government in the world. So, because of pressurized by the pressure groups in the world, governments may consider them and they are going to make them as policies by the governments because of pressure groups effort. So pressure groups, they are always putting pressure on the ruling governments, and finally which is too needy for the people, they are going to make them as policies by the governments. So pressure groups are different types. Already we discussed about the different types of pressure groups, and now we discuss about the features of pressure groups. So what are the important features of the pressure groups? So first one is a common objective. Every pressure groups, they are having common objective, common goal, common target, common achievement, based on ethnicity, based on common ideology, common political philosophy, religion, race, or common problem. In this purpose, they formed their own pressure group, and they will struggle against the government, and they will fulfill those requirements, which is demanded by the pressure group, that was considered by the government, and they will make them as policies. Common objective, that is one of the essential principle of the pressure group, a common objective. And number two, a group of people. So an individual human being is eligible to form a pressure group. Individual citizen cannot be treated as a pressure group. So a pressure group must be formed, group of people, group of members, group of people, it is called as pressure group of people. So number of group of people, they will form their own pressure group, based on their targets, their achievements. In this purpose, they will form their own pressure groups. So group of people, that is also one of the important feature of the pressure groups. So individuals cannot be treated as pressure group of people, based on their specific identity, specific goal. So that was formed by the group of people. And third one is work technique. So different factories, different companies, different industries, a number of working there, and they, based on their work technique, they formed their own pressure groups, to satisfy their demands against the company, managerial, or any other government, or any other. So they want to fulfill their requirements. So work technique, based on work technique, pressure group can be formed, and they will they will run these pressure groups based on this purpose, work technique. And again, uh, strike strike also one of the important pressure group. Strike also one of the important feature of the pressure groups. So pressure groups, almost all the pressure groups, they will express their opinion against the governments to fulfill their requirement in the form of strike, agitation, or rasta roko, or any non-cooperation, etc. So strike also one of the important feature of the pressure group. They will apply this method maximum by the pressure group. And again, lobbying, number of projects introduced by the government. So political party leaders also, they will commit to lobbying. So some of the political leaders, they will contested in the one party side, and again, if it is necessary, they will exercise their vote through cash bid, like to opposite way, lobbying. They will apply lobbying. At the same time, some of the government officials, they are working, um, and they are working on the basis of the various government major projects, and at the same time they are members in the non-governmental organizations, and they are playing two roles. At the same time, they will commit to lobbying in this purpose. That is also one of the feature. Lobbying also one of the feature of the pressure group. Electioneering. So pressure groups, because of their demands, because of their needs, they will oppose elections conducting by the governments. Mm, where there is problems, they want to fulfill their requirement, their needs, and they will put pressure, they want to pressurize on government. In this purpose, they will boycott elections. In this moment, government approach them, and what are problems are there, and make them as solutions or policies by the governments. Electioneering also one of the feature of the pressure group. And mass media is playing an important role between the people and government. Whatever problems, whatever issues arising, whatever incidents ongoing in this society, that will be communicated by the media to government. Whatever policies and rules and regulations made by the government, immediately that will be forwarded to the people through media. They are playing vital role. So they are part in mass people, mass leaders. They are struggling, they are agitating against the governments, and they are getting original information from the people through mass media. Also one of the important method of the feature of the pressure group. And funding. Government will not allocate to funds to the pressure groups. According to constitutions, they can be formed by the people. And no one is ready to fund. So because of supporters, they giving money, and they assisting financially for the pressure groups. Pressure groups, they are getting funds through their supporters. Funding also one of the important element of the pressure groups, to move, to work, whatever movements, decisions, agitations going on there in the pressure group, they are expressing while they going funding. These are features of the pressure groups.